watching at ncert.digital. Chapter 1. Finding the Furry Cat. Let us sing. Looking, looking, looking. Looking for my furry cat. Are you sitting on the window shed? Looking, 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 looking for my furry cat. Are you inside the backpack? Are you sleeping under my bed? Where are you, my furry cat? Are you outside the red rack? Where are you, my furry cat? Come, come, come. Come to me, my furry cat. Saw you scratching the bottom of my jar. Saw you playing at the top of my car. Come to me, my furry cat. Come, 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 come to me, my furry cat. Saw you hopping above the hat. Saw you hiding below the mat. Here comes my furry cat. Read aloud the poem. Ask children to recite and enact it. Children can look at the pictures and tell what all they see and discuss the things which are above, below, on, under, and so on with the class. Encourage them to talk about the animals that they see around them, like cats, dogs, cows, etc. 3. Look at the pictures of the poem and encircle the correct word. A. The red ball is above / under / on the bed. B. The cat is inside / outside / on the car. C. The man is lying under / inside / on the tree. D. The cow is inside / top of / outside the house. Think and answer. A. Where do you put your shoes? Inside / outside the room. B. Where do you throw the garbage? Inside / outside the dustbin. Let us play, find the things. Children can divide themselves into 2 teams. One team will hide a few things like white chalk, red ball, and other items and ask the other team to find them. Children can give verbal instructions to find the things using positional words like inside / outside, far / near, above / below, etc. For example, look for a white thing which is hidden near the board and under the table. Look for a red thing which is outside the classroom and under the tree. Let us play, throw the ball. Each child aims and throws the ball inside the basket. When the ball goes inside, other children will say in, and when it goes outside the basket, they say out. Let us do. Tick you the things which are inside. Activities should be conducted in a manner so that all the children are engaged, irrespective of their differential abilities. For example, a gungru can be attached to the ball, and surface of the basket can be made different from the surface outside in order to get. 5. At ncert.digital. B. Tick. A boy is sitting on / under the tree. 2. Birds are on / under the tree. D. Draw a smile below the nose and eyebrows above the eyes. Page 6. At ncert.digital. E. Look at our national flag, which is also known as Tiranga. How many colors are there? Tick you the correct option. 1. Which color is at the top of the Tiranga? White / saffron / green. 2. Which color is below the white color on the Tiranga? Pink / saffron / green. 3. Which color is above the green color on the Tiranga? White / saffron / yellow. 4. Where is the Ashoka chakra on the Tiranga? on a corner / in the middle / on the side. Discuss with children when, where, and why do we hoist the national flag. Let the children express their feelings about the national celebrations. Ask children to make their own Tiranga and sing the national anthem in standing position facing the Tiranga. 7. Chuck chuck goes our train. Chuck chuck. Chuck chuck. Goes our train. Over the hills and down to the plains. Chuck chuck. Chuck chuck. Goes our train. Bogies before my bogie. Bogies after my bogie. Make a chain. Over the rivers and in the rain. Chuck chuck. Chuck chuck. Goes our train. How many bogies are there after engine? B. How many bogies are there before the red bogie? C. Fill the orange color in the bogies after the red bogie. D. Fill the blue color in the bogies before the red bogie. Ask children to share experiences of their train journey. Children who have never traveled by train may ask questions about the journey. Let there be a discussion on what a train is. Ask them to draw a train on the paper, or they can make a train by using waste materials like used boxes or cans. Page 8. At ncert.digital. Let us play. Children will sing the rhyme and play a game where they all will form a train by holding each other's shoulders. Everyone will tell who is before and after each child in the train. Here goes our train. Here goes our train. No one is before me and Mira is after me. Suwali and Rohit are making some groups of objects. I have put all the pebbles together. I have put all the leaves in one group and chalk pieces in another group. Let the children do similar activities of sorting the objects like seeds, leaves, beads, etc. 9. At ncert.digital. Let us do. Suwali has placed all the buttons in 3 groups. Why did Suwali make such groups? Help Suwali to sort these buttons in other ways by drawing them. Project work. Ask children to arrange the cupboard of the classroom. Ask them to put objects using positional vocabulary like put 2 objects in the bottom rack, 1 object in the top rack, etc.